In just a few years, Darren Watkins Jr., better known as IShowSpeed, grew from a chaotic teenager streaming in his bedroom into one of the most recognizable names in the world. However, his story is riddled with controversies that should have ended his career. Yet he not only survived, but he has rebuilt his image, amassing an audience of over 43 million subscribers. Speed began his streaming career in 2019, but it wasn't until 2021 that his name truly exploded across the internet. His growth was fueled by his over-the-top energy and unpredictable outbursts. But as Speed's popularity skyrocketed, his chaotic style began crossing the line from harmless entertainment into actions that stained his reputation. One example of his controversial behaviour came during a Valorant match. After getting eliminated, he began yelling at his teammates. At first, it was just typical gamer rage, but things quickly got worse when a female teammate tried to calm him down.
Fuck, man! Yo, man, dog, man. Come on, bruh.
Man, you gotta hit those shots, man.
Man, shut your stupid ass up, nigga. Who's you talking to, bro? Shut your nerd ass up, bro. I know how to play this game. Shut up, monkey. Shut up. Shut your bitch ass up. Alright? Alright?
You're at the bar.
Alright?
Calm down.
Damn, bro. Shut up, bro. I know how to play this game. I'm not a noob, alright? God
Obviously,
damn.
you don't know how to play the fucking game.
What?
Suck ass.
What, bitch? Bitch? Is a bitch talking to me? Is a female talking to me? Am I no? Am I tripping? Am I tripping? Oh, wait, time out. It's a female talking to me right now. It's a fucking female talking to me. Get off the fucking game and do your husband dishes, bitch. Shut up. Fuck you.
This incident led Riot Games to permanently ban him, and just a few hours later, Speed posted an apology video on Twitter.
It's a clip, that I seen, that's going crazy right now. Me between an altercation with a girl, and I was playing Valorant. You know what I'm saying? And I want to say some, like a few things from that situation. You know what I'm saying? But that day, I wasn't having a good day, I was getting a lot of racist text-to-speech donations, a lot of people, talking about my dead aunt that's in the grave right now. But look, I don't want to make that no excuse. I'm wrong. You know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to justify.
But this was just the beginning, because his streams grew increasingly reckless and dangerous. For example, in one stream he lit fireworks inside his bedroom, which could have easily set his entire house on fire.
Alright! Pikachu!
I just don't think Speed had the knowledge of how dangerous fireworks are. He definitely learned his lesson here. But it was clear Speed had not learned his lesson, because a year later he posted another video lighting a Pikachu firework inside his house.
Give me back! Give me back! Oh my god! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Bro Speed is literally the definition of never learning from his mistakes type person. I guess this proves that IShowSpeed is one of those jive turkeys who never learn from their mistakes. Another major controversy came during his appearance on Aiden Ross's E-Date stream, where Speed made comments that were widely interpreted as threats of violence toward a female guest.
Hey, hold on, wait. Alright, but look though, I got a psychological question, okay? Say if we're the last two people on Earth and we had to reproduce to make the world continue, would you reproduce with me?
No, because that means our kids will have to intertwine and then their kids, no.
Who gonna stop me?
I will.
Who's gonna stop me?
I will.
If we the last two people on Earth, who gonna stop me? You're not stopping me! If we the last two people on Earth, who gonna stop me?
Yeah. Come on.
After the clip went viral, Twitch permanently banned him, forcing him to stream exclusively on YouTube. But just when it seemed that streaming exclusively on YouTube could be his turning point, things only got worse when CofferZilla uploaded a video exposing him for promoting a crypto scam to his followers.
This is the streamer IShowSpeed, and he's about to accidentally expose the scam he's been paid to promote.
In his video, CofferZilla revealed that Speed staged a fake Cristiano Ronaldo appearance on his stream to promote the crypto project.
Let's start at the beginning. In what started as a live stream to meet Cristiano Ronaldo and give away PS5s, quickly turned into a nightmare after fans realized the meetup was fake and was being used to promote a scam. Literally, they used a fake Cristiano Ronaldo who couldn't play soccer and was wearing a Buy Paradox crypto coin t-shirt. And it quickly got worse. The live chat started calling Paradox Coin a scam in the middle of this sponsored stream and called IShowSpeed a sellout, which caused him to get very angry.
You sold out. They're using you, Speed. This is just sad.
That is crazy, bro. Like, them comments like that, bro, is making me like, that's crazy, bro.
A day later, Speed released an apology video claiming that he was not a scammer.
I made a mistake. You know, I'm not that smart, I'm gonna be honest, bro. But as I go, I get smarter and smarter, bro. I made a little mistake, you know, that I wish I never did, but I'm not a scammer, bro. A day in my life, I will never scam you guys. Just remember that, bro.
The apology was well received by many viewers and creators who noted that he was a minor at the time and was likely misled by the crypto promoters.
From the look of things, he's got a bunch of people around him that just care about money, like Mr. Krabs here, so it leads to absolute catastrophes like this. And I do think that at the end of the day, Speed did get used here. He was exploited by this shady, shitty crypto company to shill their dog shit. But that doesn't mean that Speed is blameless in this situation here, even though he is a kid.
At this point, it seemed inevitable that Speed's career would burn out as quickly as it began, but he managed to redeem himself by focusing on his athleticism and his love for football. He frequently showcased his admiration for Ronaldo, even buying a $300,000 Ronaldo-themed Lamborghini.
A Ronaldo car? What the fuck? What the fuck? My own Ronaldo car!
He even travelled to Portugal to meet Ronaldo in person.
Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm sorry. Oh my god, Ronaldo! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, take a picture. Take a picture. Take a picture, please, please. Oh my god, I love you, bro. My son tells me that. Bro, yes, bro. Hey, I love you, bro. Ronaldo, I'm a big fan, bro. Ronaldo, look. I got you right here. Hey, wait, sue me. Ronaldo, sue me. Ronaldo, sue me. Ronaldo, sue me.
As one viewer put it, getting into football was the best thing Speed ever did for his career. Speed proved them right by doubling down on his passion by releasing a song titled World Cup, which racked up over 180 million views. He continued cementing himself as a beloved and redeemed creator through wholesome interactions with his fans.
I want the picture,
That is little girl.
Thank you.
I know. What is little girl? She keeps giving me hugs. All right, little one. All right, go to your mom.
I love you.
Love you too.
Take this. Seriously. No, take it. No, don't cry. Please, don't cry. I love how you keep going. Just keep going, okay? Seriously, all right? Give me a hug.
Bye.
Give me a hug.
Why do you have a picture of me? What the What is going on? Why do you have baby pictures of me? I love you, bro! I don't even have these pictures.
By 2025, IShowSpeed had accomplished what few controversial creators ever could. He rebuilt his reputation, making appearances at global sporting events.
Oh, what a shock. Is that's IShowSpeed. RKO the table. The dog is dead.
And showcasing an undeniable entertainment value that earned him over 40 million subscribers.